And it's hard to pretend that I'm alright. Hard to forgive, I can't empathize. And it's hard to realize.
Wait, Sal, we're going this way. Sal, we're going this way.
Oh.
Sal, go ahead and then let me get it.
All of us. Yeah. All of us are going to the
I'll let you guys go first.
No, Sal, you go first, and then let us get it, like cover. Yeah.
Wait, what game are you?
Timer.
Timer? Oh god. I thought we were playing timer.
No.
Maybe. Eh!
Oh, bro!
Hit! My stomach!
Let's go!
Oh, fuck! My stomach got shot. Oh.
Yo, what up, YouTube?
Oh, my God! Jesus Christ! Holy Son and God of the Lord!
Yeah. What's the guy's name in blue?
Blue? That's Sal.
The guy with blue. Wait, Sal, you said?
Yeah, Sal.
Where's Sal?
I need help. What's up? Don't shoot me! Bang!
Come on, blue team, push up and get the timer.
Nice. Hit! Oh, bang! That double? Yeah. Oh, hello. Go.
Let's go, white team, push up.
Go. Go get it.
I'm hit.
Wait, who has it?
Blue team, still have the timer. White team has the timer.
Go.
Hospital.
White team has the timer.
You're clear. Armband, see how we have it. Come on in here. Oh, shit. Wait, right here. I hit you! Yeah, we do. No, that's a waste of ammo.
White team has the timer.
Come
Blue team has the timer.
Wait, hold on, wait, this kid. Hey, wait, you, did you shoot me? I think, is this 10 feet? I don't know. No, you want to call a double? Because I said bang, bang. Yeah, okay, yeah. Ow, I'm hit, ow. Ow. Hello?
Yeah, no, it's up to
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
Down there.
Then you just flip over.
Oh. You can't do that, buddy. You gotta get down.
Yo, what up, YouTube?
Where is he?
Going to grandma's.
Yeah?
Yeah, do it.
Oh.
I'm not going with you.
I don't want to go alone.
Get Sal.
Right there. That one. Alright.
Where?
We're moving middle.
Ah.
Blue team has the timer.
Whoa, hit. Hit, hit. And I'll go take it. Hey.
I've been running all the time.
Nice. It's right there. Oh crap, you're right. Yeah. Sal!
Who wants to run in there and go get it?
I don't think I have ammo. Sal, you need to just fire in there and I'll go.
I got all the ammo you need.
You need to fire, bro. Is he out?
Go, 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 go.
Go, go, go. Bang, 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 bang. Oh! Oh, sick. Sal, I'm out of ammo.
Team has the timer.
That was scary.
I'm out of ammo.
There was a guy over there.
Oh crap. I don't have any ammo, and I need some. Yes!
That is game over.
We did it!
He went shirtless.
Whoa!
I almost got lit up when I came from
The shirtless win!